This is Ruth, a Nigerian dwarf goat kid. She was named after Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Her friend Sonia is a mini Nubian goat kid. They live at the Oregon Zoo's family farm with the rest of the herd.
At least you're not outgrowing your little harness quite yet.
And sometimes they meet the other animals.
Today we're gonna go see some elephants. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
I know, actually we usually do this.
Okay, we'll do this. Tradesies. Okie dokie! Yes! Oh, are they pooping? Oh. So we're gonna take a back road to the elephants. It's sort of like the VIP tour area because they're very important, special goats. You're gonna love this. Whoa, what was that? A bird!
Oh, hi. You get in? You get in? Okay.
Woo! Where are we? What does this feel like? Elephant Lands is such a unique habitat. The sand that's in there is really important for elephant feet. One thing that was really fun to watch was Ruth and the sand. Whee! She's cautious sometimes about new substrates. Walking on the sand, it's a little bit like walking in snow, so your feet kind of sink in. I think that threw her for a loop a little bit. She spent a lot of time playing on one of the logs till she felt comfortable walking in the sand and kind of sinking down a little bit. Something big's gonna happen. These guys have never seen anything close to an elephant. Today we're gonna see Samudra, Shine, and Chandra. I'm especially interested to see how Chandra reacts because she's a Borneo pygmy elephant, and these are pygmy goats. You guys, you're gonna get so up close to this animal. Something's happening. Door's closing, another one's opening. I don't know how these elephants are gonna react. Oh, there. Whoa, what's happening? Oh yeah. Smells like it's different, huh? Good. You don't want any bras? You two are so cute. Things went really great today in Elephant Lands. The goats had a really fun time.
You see her? What is that?
Sonia kind of looked up and her ears perked up and they started flopping side to side. I think with her big long ears, she could hear the elephants munching. And then right then, Chandra actually made one of her little happy rumbles. A little peaceful moment contemplating each other. Let's see. Sorry, there's a goat.
Oh, it's my baby. Hi.
There you go, let's go.
Next time on Tiny Goat Visits,
A real live chupacabra.